Plant kingdom. Phylogeny, interrelationship, no type of arrangement of chromosome, cytotaxonomy. System of classification, natural system, Bentham and Hooker. Classification on few morphological character, artificial. Alginic acid, laminarine. Alga food for human, chlorella. Volvox, colonial flagella. Chlamydomonas unicellular flagella. Laminarine flattened leaf-like thallus. Chlorella unicellular non-flagellate. Rhodophyceae Glycellaria Gelidium porphyra polycyphonia. Isogamous plus non-flagellated gamete Spirogyra. Zoospore absent in Spirogyra. Zoospore present in Polycyphonia Spirogyra urothrix. Dicyota porphyra. No motile stage red alga. Protein rich alga Chlorella. Same class alga Volvox Spirogyra Chlamydomonas. SUV green color की SUV S. Brown algae attached to substratum. Brown alga Fucoxanthin. Glycellaria Carpogonium. Ectocarpus biflagellated. Merchantia elasters. Cycas multiciliated male gamete. Female reproductive organ of algae Oogonium. Mannitol store food Phenophyceae fucus. Red algae chlorophyll A and D. Phycoerythrin. Mosses anthrazoids require water for fertilization. Bryophytes water essential for fertilization depending sporophyte Archegonia motile male gamete. Bryophytes thallus nature chloroplast Archegonia. Merchantia polymorpha is dioecious and having anthradiophore and archegoniophore. Peat is produced from sphagnum. Liverworts Merchantia. Gymnosperm pine. Walking form Adiantum. Moss the sporophyte partially parasite on gametophyte. Moss peat packed material hygroscopic. Bryophyte main plant body is haploid. Multicellular sex organ. Water for sexual reproduction not having vascular tissue. Moss fern amphibians of plant kingdom. Mosses sphagnum. Bryophyte resembles alga. Thallus like plant body. Lack vascular tissue. Autotroph nutrition. Plant body is thalloid. Merchantia. Asexual reproduction liverworts. Game. On germination, moss spores produces protonema. Protonema occurs in Funaria moss. Common in Funaria Adiantum ginkgo Archegonia. Not pteridophytes Polytrichum. Pteridophytes Selengelina equistem salvinia. Primary protonema is present in Funaria. Bryophytes. Sporophyte is parasitic over gametophyte. Fertilization takes place in presence of water. Zygote undergo mitosis to form embryo proper. Dominant gametophyte phase is attracted by Polytrichum. Multicellular dependent sporophyte Polytrichum. Different time natures prevent self-fertilization. Heterosporous Salvinia. Prothallus gametophyte monoecious autotroph present in pteridophytes. Origin seed habit pteridophyte. Hepaticopsida merchantia. Lycopsida Selengelina. Bryopsida mosses. Bryopsida mosses hornworts liverworts. Pteropsida Dryopedrus. Anthoceros hornworts. Adiantum walking fern. Sargassum alga. Prothallus gametophyte. Asterials inferi. Archegonia Bryophyte pteridophyte gymnosperms. Haploid endosperm gymnosperms. Mucor molds saprophytes. Lycopodia Selengelina. Leaves of fern macrophyll. Vascular plants are smaller plus smaller sex organ. Pteropsida Patris and Adiantum. Bryophyte Pelia Porella funaria. Pteridophyte Patris presence of vascular tissue. Pteropside Teropside meiosis occurs at the time of spore formation. Pinus male cone possesses large number of microspore cells. Character of gymnosperms: male and female gametophyte do not have independent free living existence. Phaneros visible, Cryptos concealed. Bryon moss. Pinus differ from ficus in formation of endosperm before fertilization. Fons differ sphagnum, independent gametophyte and sporophyte. Sperm means seeds. Gymnosperms, gametophyte dependent. Multicellular female gametophyte, megasporangium. Gymnosperm, heterosporous. Pinus, monovotes. Cetrus, branch stem. Sequa, taproot. Cycas, unbranched stem. Not in gymnosperm, xylem with vessels. Ovules develop into seeds. Ovaries into fruits. Angiosperms range in size from microscopic Wolferia to tall trees of Ectocarpus. 3 and pen angiosperms. Chlamydomonas unicellular flagella. Volvox colonial non-flagella. Laminarian flattened and leaf-like thallus. Chlorella unicellular non-flagellates. Isomorphic alternaria of generation Ectocarpus. Algae exhibit diplontic life cycle. Fucus. Pteridophyte ferns differ bryophyte moss, independent gametophyte and sporophyte. Sequa, gymnosperm tallest tree. AC chlorophyll, xanthophyll carotenoids. Moss, two-stage protonema and leafy stage. Sporophyte of moss are more elaborate than liverworts. Pine, monoecious, bisexual. Chlorophyta, Chara. Lycopsida, Selangellina. Phenophyta, Ectocarpus. Synopsida, Equistem. Brown algae, food stored as mannitol, laminarin. Sexual reproduction in fucus, Volvox albugo. Oogamous has large female non-motile and small male motile. Gymnosperms and some ferns are heterosporous. Liverworts, mosses and ferns gametophytes are free-living. Glycogen, agaricus. Pyrenoids, Spirogyra. Laminarin and mannitol, Sargassum. Floridian starch, Polysiphonia. Pteridophytes, fern and horsetail. Thallus, gametophyte. Sporophyte shows foot seta capsule. Game helps in reproduction. Largest gametophyte, moss, Phaneria, polytrichum. Diploid stage dominant, fern. Marchantia bryophyte, dependent sporophyte. Fossil plant, Cycadophilus scales. Vascular cryptogams, Equistem. Prothallus of fern produce gametophyte. Fern spores, haploid. Leaves of moss plant possesses no stomata but chloroplast. Fern gametophyte, homothallic monoecious. Gymnosperms wood non-porous. Male and female gametophyte are independent free-living. Sphagnum. Chlorophyllus Thallophyta lacks archegonium. Spirogyra. Archegonium, Phaneria petris, cycles. Pinus cannot germinate without mycorrhiza. Pinus coniferopsida. Female non-motile, male motile. Oogamous. Independent sporophyte. Angiosperms, gymnosperms, pteridophytes. Not independent sporophyte, bryophytes. A prokaryote, autotrophic endofixing symbionts, cycles. Gametophyte dependent, not independent, Pinus, angiosperms, petris. Marchantia, archegoniophore. Salvinia considered to evolve. Female gametophyte is free and get dispersed like seeds. Sexual reproduction, Volvox oogamy. Mustard, synergids. Mitospores of algae differ through mitosis. Sex organs of pteridophytes, multicellular and jacketed. Bryophyta, gametophytic phases is dominant. Independent and sexual reproducing. Pteridophyte, xylem and phloem. Chara. Upper oogonium and lower ground antheridium. Globule is male reproductive structure. Globule and nucleus present on same plant. Funaria. Stomata present in epidermis of capsule. Inner spore sac is one cell in thickness. Trabeculae connect the innermost layer of the capsule wall with outer spore sac. Unnucleate Witt's mature shift element. Uninucleate Spirogyra gametigium. Multinucleate Rhizopus chlamydospores. Binucleated Petrus neck canal cell. Nostoc water blooms. Sargassum chlorophyll C. Spirogyra non-motile. Flowering plant originates Celops type. Algae autotrophic. Riccia liverworts. Spirogyra pond scum. Genitum gymnosperms. Male gamete least number of cells present in Lilium. Ploidy number in Cycas endosperms. Alginic acid brown algae. Pinus seed adaxial and endospermic. Pinus Cycas gymnosperms endosperm haploid. Red algae non-motile. Bryophytes Archegoniate Arctophyte embryocyte. Laminaria biflagellated gamete haplodiplontic life cycle. Chara monoecious chlorophyll A and B. Gymnosperm haploid and developed from female gametophyte. Pteridophytes Dryopetrus meiosis occurs at the time of spore formation. Male gamete flagellated Riccia Dryopteris and Cycas. Riccia plant body gametophyte and Bias haploid gamete. Name the group of algae in which sexual reproduction is absent. Cyanophyceae. Gametophyte do not have free living independent existence in citrus.